He gave machines the ability to think. He helped launch a revolution, and now he's sounding the alarm. This is the story of Geoffrey Hinton, the man often called the Godfather of deep learning. But he didn't just help invent the brain of modern AI. He walked away from it, warning the world of what might come next. In the 1970s, Geoffrey Hinton was obsessed with an idea most of the AI world had abandoned: neural networks. These were models inspired by how human brains work, not just processing data, but learning patterns, connections, and meaning. But at the time, most researchers thought neural networks were a dead end, too inefficient, too slow, too limited. Hinton believed otherwise. Working in near obscurity, he refined the concept while others chased symbolic logic and rules-based systems. He wasn't chasing AI that could be programmed. He was chasing AI that could learn. In 1986, Hinton and colleagues published a breakthrough paper on backpropagation, a way to train deep neural networks using layers of feedback. That changed everything. Backpropagation became the backbone of modern deep learning, the same technique used today in image recognition, speech synthesis, and large language models like ChatGPT. For decades, Hinton continued quietly building. At the University of Toronto, he trained generations of researchers, many who now lead the world's top AI labs. He wasn't in it for money. He once refused to work for U.S. military research because he didn't want AI to become a weapon, and when offered a prestigious job in the U.S., he turned it down so he could keep his work open in Canada. In 2012, everything changed again. Hinton and his students, including Ilya Sutskever and Alex Krzyzewski, entered a global image recognition competition called ImageNet. Their system crushed the competition, cutting the error rate by a staggering margin. The world took notice. Suddenly, deep learning was the new frontier. Google hired the entire team. Big tech pivoted almost overnight. This moment is now widely considered the start of the deep learning era. And from that moment, deep learning didn't just power apps, it powered the future. From voice assistants to autonomous vehicles, from generative art to protein folding, from chatbots to language models, all of it traces back to the foundations Geoffrey Hinton helped build. But now Geoffrey Hinton is deeply worried. In 2023, he resigned from Google so he could speak more freely. He's now one of AI's loudest critics, warning that we're moving too fast with too little control. He believes that soon AI systems may become smarter than humans, that we've entered an age where we don't fully understand the models we build. He's warned that misinformation, job loss, even existential risk are on the table, not because AI is evil, but because it's powerful and we're not prepared. He said it's hard to see how you can prevent the bad actors from using it for bad things. It's a sobering turn. The man who helped give rise to AI as we know it now spends his days warning the world about its unchecked momentum. But Hinton isn't anti-AI, he's still hopeful. If we act responsibly, he believes we must build international regulation, require transparency, and rethink incentives so that safety and ethics become core features, not side quests. He still believes AI can do good, cure disease, fight climate change, improve education, but only if we stay in control. Geoffrey Hinton once stood against the current, defending an idea no one believed in. Now he's doing it again, calling for a pause, not out of fear, but out of wisdom. He's not telling us to stop building, he's telling us to build with eyes wide open, to treat intelligence not just as a technical achievement, but as a responsibility.